Hello everyone, today I will show you how to auto-fit text to text box in Google Sheet. I will auto-fit this text to text box. Now click on this edit option and select your text box, and here you will find this do not auto-fit option, and simply select this text box, resize shape to fit text, or you can choose shrink text on overflow. I will choose resize shape to text and see this text now auto fit. Also I'll auto fit this text. Click here and see this. Also I'll auto fit this one and see this, and select here resize shape to fit text. Yeah, this is in this way you can auto fit all of this text your text box. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments. সবসময়